Akhtar, he's also from Akhtar, and he's one of the local serving councillors. Sorry for delaying you, Councillor Akhtar, but I think there are people who always wanted to leave, and it's very difficult to make the adjustment. So welcome to you, Dr.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वफादार मकसद वफाही करेंगे, वफादार मकसद वफाही करेंगे, न वो दिन रहे न ये दिन रहेंगे। मेरी मोहब्बत खुदा की जिंदगानी, उसी की खातिर जिएंगे मरेंगे। Distinguished guests, Mr. President, Vice President, members of Parliament, and members of our Kashmiri community, let me just say a few words in English, and I'll say a few words in Urdu, and then I'll go because there's a tournament taking place for charity fundraising, and I have to be there along with the church other colleagues. Let me just say this while we got a member of Parliament in the hall. Since 9/11, the Kashmiris in Kashmir have put the weapons down. And the reason they put the weapons down was that they wanted to have a dialogue between the Western countries and America and put their case forward. Unfortunately, not a single result came out of those dialogues. So that's one point. I think we need to understand why there is a tension in Afghanistan and the Americans and the British are leaving. Then we will have a mess in both sides of the Kashmir until we resolve this particular issue. So it benefits not only for the Kashmiri people here in UK or elsewhere in the world, but also for the Western countries to resolve this matter as a matter of urgency. Second point I would like to make, that in this city, unfortunately the colleagues have left now, in this city we have formed a group called Leeds Labour Friends of Palestine. Just recently, about 8 months ago, I really wanted some support from the Labour colleagues, not only from the members of the Parliament but also members of the Council, to form a group here in the city, Leeds Labour Friends of Kashmir, so we can get and we can have a regular sort of lobby our members of Parliament. But most of all, an angle we never touched as the Kashmiris, trade unions. We've got 4 main trade unions in this country, and unfortunately we have not had any dialogue with those trade unions who can take our case in this country. So I would urge people like Bhat, who is listening, and Councillor Bhat Hussain to take issues with the trade unions. Someone, I think it was Brother Muzaffar Khalik mentioned, that professional politicians lip service every year, especially this time of the year, when we have elections just around the corner. Let me remind my own party that back in 1995, there was a Brighton conference, Labour Brighton conference, and the Labour colleagues agreed, once we come into government, we will work with the both sides of the Kashmir and both India and Pakistan trying to resolve the issue of Kashmir. 13 years in government, 5 years now in opposition. We as the Kashmiris, someone who just said there are million Kashmiris and there are 50 target seats here in this country. Unfortunately, our voice is not being heard because we are not united. A day we are going to get united, the politicians from all political parties will listen to you as a nation. But unfortunately, we need to get our house in order first. So let's work together. Let's have every single parliamentarian or local election candidate comes on your doorstep, ask you 2 questions. 1, where we start on the Kashmir issue. 2nd, where we start on the Palestine issue. And these are the 2 crucial things I think we need to get the message across. Being a Kashmiri British in this country, we need to get the voice. You are the ambassador of Kashmiris, and you have more say than the government of Pakistan or government of Kashmir in the United Kingdom. So on the final note, thank you very much, and I hope that we will keep lobbying our colleagues, not only from our party, from also other parties as well. Thank you very much.